With Modula, we were able to automate our warehouse, also solving the problem of storage and inventory management. With Modula vertical automated warehouses, we are able to quickly access goods. By tracking their every movement, we have automated the entire process. Now we always know exactly how many pieces we still have in stock. To date, we have installed 3 machines complete with visual accessories to facilitate picking. The operator can quickly find the material thanks to the laser pointer that indicates with a red line and a green dot which item to pick up. Another accessory that has been very useful to us is the sliding console, which allows us to move around the entire bay of the Modula with the touchscreen co-pilot so that we can read all the information about the items as we pick up. The 3 modular warehouses were installed in 1 week. We are very satisfied with the use of Modula, so much so that we already plan to add more in the near future.